Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kwana if you're new here. So today I'm going to be putting on this bob wig from HeyHair7. This is my first time trying out this company's hair. So I guess let's just get into it. So here it is. So this is a 13x4 lace front wig. Ooh, it already comes with adjustable straps. We love that. And it looks like there's a clip in the back and then one like in the middle right behind where the lace ends, which is great because I never use all those clips in the front anyway. So here I just wanted to go ahead and try on the wig to make sure that it fit, and I'm also going to show you what the lace looks like. So these knots are not pre-bleached, but I was not going to bleach them today. And before we get into this next clip, I did go ahead and cut the lace off. I'm going to be using alcohol just to make sure that I don't have any oils on my hairline, and we'll get into it. And since I'm not bleaching these knots, I'm going to put a little bit of foundation across the hairline of this. And today I'm going to just use this Maybelline Matte Poreless foundation, and it's in the shade 355 Coconut. Go across the inside of this. So this is not stuck to my head, so we're not going to glue it anymore. I've decided that this can be worn glueless easily. I'm going to pin up this hair. What I'm going to do instead is use the Got To Be Free spray to lay this. So at this point I just continued spraying the Got To Be Free spray across the hairline, and I'm using the end of the rat tail comb to press that down onto my skin, and I have this blow dryer on low heat. That was so easy. I'm kind of mad because that was so easy. These other wigs be having me out here struggling. I love this. Like, I don't even feel like I have to do anything to it. So I did do something to this hair. I just took a straightener and curled the ends under and then sprayed my hair with an oil sheen, and that completed it. Keep watching to see hairstyles. And anyways, I'm done. Honestly, that was the easiest install I've ever in my life done. I would buy this hair 100 times. I can't believe I'm already done. That whole process took me like 10 minutes. Not even. Hi! So, day 2 of me wearing this hair, and I just thought to add a little something to the video, I could show y'all some different cute summer, spring hairstyles that I do, especially on short hair. So for this first hairstyle, I started by using the end of a rat tail comb and parting out a triangle section in the front just to have like wispy bang pieces, and then I'm going to start making a section and smoothing that through with a brush to form a little ponytail, and I'm using an elastic band to do that. Then I'm going to take out the pieces in the front and do the same exact thing on the other side. And then from there, I'm just going to take that same comb and tease both ponytails just to give them a little volume, and that will complete the first look. Jumping into the second hairstyle, we are going to start with where we just ended and take the end of that ponytail and just wrap it around the base to form a bun, and then I'm using a bobby pin to pin that in place, and from there you're just going to play with that until you like the shape and repeat on the other side. For the third and final hairstyle, I am using this straightener. This is the Babyless Pro to put some curls in my hair to form waves. So I alternate doing curls towards my face and then away from my face so that it has more of a wavy look. So that in itself can be its own hairstyle, but I'm going to keep going and start by making little sections and flat twisting that to my head
going backwards, and then I will be using these little butterfly clips. I got them on Amazon for pretty cheap, to just add something to the hair. So I'm just going to continue that, doing 4 little twists, and you'll see how that looks. But you can also use a rubber band to secure the ends if you want those flat twists to be a little more defined. And that pretty much completes our last one. So thank you all so much for watching this video today. Check the description box below for details on this hair, and use the code QUANA to get $10 off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!